Hello everyone. My name is SNEHA G. First year CSBS branch. Startup company name Spark Horizon. Product present name Dustbin. Product proposed name Eco Dustbin. Define based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers. Many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name Dustbin. Futuristic product name Eco Dustbin. Mentioning some of the requirement and feelings about the product are said by the customers during the empathizing activity. First one, distribution of biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. Second one, automatic function in dustbin. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. First one, distribution of biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. Second one, automatic function in dustbin. Third one, recycling compartment. Fourth one, easy cleaning and maintenance. Prototype. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured due to the time constraint. The mentor adverse to the sketch. The sketch is given below. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.